Hello and welcome to this video about health. In the next few minutes we will cover some important topics related to health and well-being. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about the importance of exercise. Regular exercise is essential for maintaining a healthy body and mind. It not only helps you stay fit but also reduces the risk of various health problems like heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. You don't need to hit the gym every day to stay active. Simple activities like walking, cycling, and swimming can help you maintain a healthy weight and improve your cardiovascular health. So, make sure to set aside some time for exercise every day. Next, let's discuss the importance of a balanced diet. A healthy and balanced diet is key to good health. It helps you get all the essential nutrients your body needs to function correctly. Make sure your diet includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Avoid processed and junk food, as they are high in calories and low in nutrients. Also, stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Moving on, let's talk about mental health. Mental health is just as important as physical health. It is the foundation of our overall well-being, and we must take care of it. Regular exercise, meditation, and spending time with loved ones can help reduce stress and promote mental health. Also, seek help if you are experiencing mental health problems like anxiety, depression, or stress. Talk to a professional or a trusted friend or family member, and don't be afraid to seek help. Now, let's talk about the importance of sleep. Sleep is essential for good health. It not only helps you feel rested and refreshed but also has many health benefits. Getting enough sleep can improve your immune system, reduce stress, and lower the risk of various health problems like heart disease, obesity, and diabetes. So, make sure to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. Moving on, let's talk about the harmful effects of smoking. Smoking is one of the leading causes of preventable deaths worldwide. It can cause various health problems like lung cancer, heart disease, stroke, and respiratory diseases. Quitting smoking can be challenging, but it's worth it. Seek help from a healthcare professional or support group if you need it. Finally, let's talk about the importance of regular checkups. Regular checkups are essential for maintaining good health. They can help detect health problems early when they are easier to treat. It is recommended to have regular checkups with your doctor, dentist, and optometrist. Also, make sure to get all the recommended screenings like mammograms, Pap tests, and colonoscopies. That's it for this video on about health. Remember, taking care of your health is crucial for a happy and fulfilling life. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, good sleep, and regular checkups are the pillars of good health. And don't forget to take care of your mental health too. Thank you for watching, and stay healthy.